This video will show you how to control your dreams every night. Anyone can do it using 3 simple but powerful techniques. You don't even need any previous experience. You are capable of being fully aware and conscious inside your dreams. This can be a gateway into your subconscious, or you can fulfill your fantasies. The preparation. Make your bedroom a good place to sleep in, giving you better chances of having a lucid dream. Turn off all light sources and get rid of distracting noises. Avoid high-intensity exercise in the evening. Click here to learn everything you need to know about good sleep habits. Write down your dreams. Dream journaling will improve the chances of remembering your dreams after you wake up. Put your journal on your nightstand with a pen before sleeping. You forget dreams very quickly after waking up, so the first thing you should do is write down what you can remember in your journal. It is generally accepted among lucid dream researchers that we do not remember dreams unless the sleeper wakes up immediately from them before going through other stages of sleep. Relax before bedtime. Sit on your bed and meditate for 1 to 3 minutes before going to sleep. Try not to think of anything. Don't stress about your problems and the tasks you will have to do tomorrow. Clear your mind. Try to rule out all distracting thoughts. The first technique, mild. While you're trying to fall asleep, repeat phrases to yourself like "I will be dreaming soon," "I will wake up in a dream," "I will be lucid dreaming," etc. You can mantra them, but keep it simple. Keep repeating them until you fall asleep. This way, you are encouraging your brain to be aware when you begin dreaming. The success rate of lucid dreaming this way is high. 46% of attempts will be successful. Think of a dream you previously had. It doesn't matter how long ago it was. Picture it in your mind. Try imagining a scene that you would like to dream. Visualization is the core part of this method. 2. Wake back to bed. Set your alarm 4 to 6 hours after you go to bed. When you wake up, stay awake for half to 2 hours before returning to sleep. This way, you will be back in REM sleep faster than you typically would. Lucid dreaming, like most dreams, happens during REM sleep. In this period, the brain is very active, heart rate and eye movements are increased. 3. Reality check. Constantly ask yourself, am I dreaming or am I awake? Look for signs in your environment. Think about what you did in the previous few hours and what you will do in the next few. If you are in a dream, it will be impossible to answer these questions. This will make you realize that you are currently dreaming. Do this reality check in the daytime every few hours. After some practice, you will instinctively do it in your dreams too. For quick results, combine these 3 techniques together. Sooner or later, they will work and you will be lucid dreaming. Be persistent. The first tries will probably fail, or you will wake up soon after realizing that you are in a dream. If you practice enough, you will be able to lucid dream for long sessions. Check out this video to learn how sleep cycles work, or choose another video recommended to you by clicking here.